All right, welcome back. Welcome to this Groovefunnels review. For guys that don't know, Groovefunnels is free, and like it says, you get access. All right, you get access to all 18 of these powerful apps. So I'm gonna touch upon the different apps that I'm using within this platform, and let's start off with the first one. So doesn't really replace Kartra. I have used Kartra in the past, and I wasn't really successful in building my funnels because I came off of Builderall back then, and I learned the Builderall way of building funnels and websites. And so for me, I just had a hard time. So my learning curve was too steep. I said, "Fuck it, I'm not gonna do this." However, it is a very good platform, but one of the co-founders that left Kartra is Mike Filsami, and he is the CEO of Groove.cm. And so what I believe is that with his experience, his philosophy of what a great software company should be is going to come into fruition when Groove.cm steps out of beta. And when that happens, it's going to slowly take over the market. It's going to be better than any platform out there, including Kartra. That's what I believe. As a website builder, I like Groovepages. I have built different pages. Um, if you take a look at the competition, Wix and Squarespace, so these are companies that came up when funnels were a novelty. Not everyone was using funnels. Now everyone and their mama are using funnels. And so they lack the sophistication. As a digital marketer or just somebody who is selling online, whether it's physical products, services, or digital products, you need a sophisticated platform with different possibilities made possible by different apps. And Wix and Squarespace, they're just not going to make it. That's just how it is. Okay, so as funnel builder, as a funnel builder, what do I think about Groovefunnels? I have not much bad to say, to be honest. I have used Clickfunnels, and it's overrated. It's overpriced, and I'm gonna show you why. So one of the reasons that I love Groovefunnels so much, and is a cut above in terms of functionality, and is the fact that it's really built for people that value their time. So if you take a look at this website that I built, over here, um, this is the desktop version, all right? But guess what? If I want to take a look at the mobile version, it's automatically made mobile friendly. See? Or tablet friendly. It doesn't really matter. And so the biggest thing with my biggest gripe with ClickFunnels is you have to change the way it looks on mobile. um, so have to do the work twice. And from a time consuming perspective, this is horrible. Okay, I just want to build it, and be done. And so you get to see the previews. This is very sophisticated. Okay. Now getting back to my my point earlier about ClickFunnels is that if you upgrade and you go for the premium package, it'll cost you $300 a month. And so with that, you get unlimited funnels, I think, and you get to use their email service. $300 is a lot of money, okay? And what happens is that you're dealing with a autoresponder or an email marketing system that is really built for Neanderthals. It lacks the sophistication, and I think one of the reasons that is ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels was really built as a ClickFunnel system, and they have the brand comparable to say Mercedes, where you say funnel builders, you say ClickFunnels, and yes, a lot of people have had success. It's just when you break it down, you can actually see it's overhyped. It's not that good, you know. And so you would actually need a different third-party app to make ClickFunnels work. Doesn't make any sense to me. So let me take a look at email automation. So Active Campaign is easily one of the best autoresponders out there. It is sophisticated through their artificial intelligence. It's very mindful of what a customer needs, and it's really built for people like us who have profit in mind. Now, GrooveMail will come out of beta, and it will have similar functionalities as Active Campaign. And so you can test drive it right now and see if that's true or not. GrooveMail, right, will be on the same level as Active Campaign. But the difference is you only pay once. The difference is this is all you ever need unless you're dealing with a huge list, right? And so for you guys are watching, that's probably not the case unless you're a very seasoned affiliate marketer. And in that case, it might be different. Let's take a look at the rest. I have played with some of the other apps on this list. I'm going to touch upon Groove Video. Groove Video is really meant, it was built with the marketer in mind. It's a very smart type of video hosting app because let's say a person lands on your page and you really want them to give their information. You want their name and you want their email address. So what you can have that program do is stop the video after 10 minutes, and for the watcher to continue, they are obliged to give up their name and their email address if they wish to continue. And so that's very smart. So that's a way to weed out the people that are not really interested from the people that really want to know more about your service, really want to know more about your products. All right. So that's it. Listen, guys, it was short, but this is free. So sign up. I have a friend called Travis Stevenson, and this is a guy that did multiple seven figures with selling exclusively digital products. And so he came up with an ebook which you can have for free. And in that ebook, he explains how to make it online, how to make a killing online. It's almost 70 pages of value, and it's free for you to get. So if you want that, click the link below and you'll get it sent to you.